red-hot crusher against the tree. This way the insulation will be much more reliable and denser. This attachment for the angle grinder easily copes with screws. If the hinges are not tight enough, unscrew the screws, drill holes, insert cotton buds there, cut off the excess, coat with glue and screw the hinges again. Now everything is secure. If the hole is too wide, try this method. We disassemble the chain from the bicycle. Take this part and apply it to the nut. Mark a point and make a hole. We make a thread in the hole and fasten the part with a bolt. Let's make another hole wider. Stretch a long bolt with a hole through it. Now we insert the wire into this hole, and with the help of a screwdriver and our design, we will make such a spring. Fill the hole in the pipe with electrical tape. Now cut it out. Using this stencil, we got out a suitable piece of pipe. Now we fix it. Coat it with glue and sprinkle with sand. Pull it to solidify and sand it. Another layer of glue and patch from the pipe. That's it. Fill the key with an epoxy. Now get it out of the mold. Shred the graphite and mix it with baking soda. We make a form and mix it with glue. After drying, we take out a new key from the mold and grind it a little. We have an exact copy. If your sink is clogged, try sticking a soap dispenser down the drain and pressing it just a couple of times. Done. The water flows normally again. In order not to stain the floor when painting the doors, place a piece of paper under the roller. In order not to stain the rug with painting, you can simply sprinkle it with sugar. It will absorb the paint and leave no traces. Besides, it's very easy to shake it off. Pour the epoxy into the wrench and drown the bolt cap in it. After drying, we take it out of the key and get a comfortable handle. And here's a convenient way for you to tie a bag with a rope. Repeat those movements after me. In this way, we get a comfortable grip for transportation so that the board doesn't wag during cutting. Try using such a simple device. It's really convenient. And this is how you need to prepare the board for perfect joining in a place with many ledges. The main thing is to make a few correct marks on this way. Cut off the excess and get the perfect joint. By the way, you can make a blade for a jigsaw from an ordinary saw. The main thing is to cut out the correct shape. See how great it works? Now I will show an interesting way to combine 3 bars together. To begin with, it will outline the places of the future cut. Then we will make a small slot in each bar. We'll make a small wooden triangle under these slots. See how beautifully it fits in? Perfect! Let's make a hole in the steel lid. Stretch the wire into the hole and fix it with a cartridge. Now the lid can be attached anywhere, and then screw it in the light bulb, and the jar will be sealing. Now I'll show you how to draw a perfect pentagon with a nail, pencil and paperclip. Hook such a hook from a paperclip to a nail and draw a load. Then make a few more lines along its entire perimeter. Connect them and get the perfect pentagon. Take a plastic bottle and remove the cap from it. We'll make 2 holes in the cover. Insert the bolts there, screw on the nut, bring the wires on them and press with 2 more nuts. Now, for density, we'll coat the neck with thermal paste and add a couple of drops of water inside. We twist the lid and fix it tightly with electrical tape. We supply current and our homemade heater is ready. Let's take apart from the chain and screw one of its edges to the base of the hammer. And the second hole is free in order to hang the hammer on the wall.